To access MSPEducare streaming server, sign in using login credentials. For each school, there will be individual login credentials. Here in MSP Educare streaming server can create n number of session without time limit and count limit. To create a new session or meeting, press create room in the screen. Example, for class 3, need to create a session. For that, give the title as class 3 maths and here look into the general settings can enable any settings here. It works according as function names. By pressing create room, can generate a meeting link for that session. Here, the meeting link shows to invite others to join the meeting. Unless like other video conferencing tools, here time not mentioned. While inviting others, we need to manually write and invite the others for the meeting because this meeting link is permanent. We can enter this room whenever we want and start the session beyond the time limit. Whenever online session scheduled for a class, just log in, press the room and start session. Now to start the meeting, select the room name, then press start. The above screen shows when you start the meeting. Here, initially, it asks microphone and listen only. Microphone for two-way communication, listen only for one-way communication.
You are now
You are
muted.
current. Here in this meeting room, if already members are waiting in the lobby, it shows here. You can allow or deny them as your wish. Um, This join audio button is to mute and unmute the audio. Share webcam button is to mute or unmute the video. And share screen button is to share the screen of your PC or laptop. Um, this is minimize presentation button to hide the background banner. And rise button is to notify the host. This actions button contains many options. Using manage presentation, you can convert the screen into whiteboard. Example, on the right side, it contains tools box. This option is to, it contains many tool options like text. We can write any text here. We can mark, underline it, and freehand tool is available um, to mark any objects on the screen. Uh, uh, we can change the size of the object and we can change the color. This option undo the actions done. This is to delete, and enabling this multi-user options allows all other members to handle the whiteboard. And here chat option is available to convey the information to the members. And finally, leave meeting by pressing leave meeting can end the meeting or session. um, all the meetings held in the MSP Educare server are recorded with date and time, can access whenever we needed.